Hello students, today we are going to talk about the most awaited talent encouragement exam, that is Tallentex 2024 for students of class 5th to 10th. This year, Tallentex 2024 is going to be conducted in both the modes, that is online as well as offline. And student can participate in both the modes and win up to 90% scholarship in the session 2024 and 25 and attractive cash rewards. Online exam dates are between 14th of October to 22nd of October. Offline exam dates are 29th of October and 5th of November. On the huge demand of students, we are here to guide you on the complete registration process for Tallentex 2024. So, let's get started. Step number 1. Log on to www.tallentex.com. Step number 2. Click on the register button. Step number 3. To register, type your mobile number and you will get an OTP. Step number 4. After that, you have to create your profile. For that, there are two ways. First, if you have already appeared in Tallentex 2023, then you have to just enter your Tallentex 2023 roll number and student name, date of birth, mobile number and get the data verified and continue the process same as last year. Second, if you want to create a new profile, then select New Profile and fill in the details like aspirant name, father's name, gender, date of birth, present class, session 23-24, mobile number and email. Then select the Allen Classroom Center you prefer to study for the session 2024-25. After that, residential address, PIN code, state, district, city, location and school name and preferred mode of examination, online, offline or both. Yes, student can choose both modes. In that case, student have to select online exam date and slot along with offline exam details. Then click on the check boxes and save and next for the next step. Step 5. Then profile preview panel will appear. Double check your profile information, then upload the photograph. After reading image uploading guidelines, choose a file to upload a photo. After uploading the photo, the pop-up will appear. Step number 6. Here's the last step of registration. You have to make a payment of Rs 300 for single mode. If student is participating in both modes, then he or she have to make a payment of Rs 600. Choose the payment gateway of your choice, either from HDFC or ICICI. After selecting a payment gateway, there are different methods of payments like credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI and EMI. After successful registration, student will receive an SMS on his or her registered mobile number and also the mail with the test fee acknowledgement and roll number with other details. For more details, you can contact on our Tallentex helpline number 0744 2750202 or drop us a mail on contact@tallentex.com.